My name's Mick, and I joined Australian Online Entrepreneurs in January 2017. My day job is an electrician or a project manager. The thing I like most about Australian Online Entrepreneurs is the logical way that the modules have been laid out. The content in each of the modules is designed so that you can start at module 1, and by the time you get to module 8, you'll have a product on Amazon and it'll be on the first page. I've followed the modules uh, exactly as they're described, and my product is now on page 1. I found that the material in the modules is relevant, easy to follow, and very actionable. I followed the steps in each module exactly as described, and I've managed to get my listing onto the first page of Amazon 2 weeks after launching. I'm making consistent daily sales, and now it's just a matter of fine-tuning my product and starting to think about the next product. One of the most interesting things I've learned through this community is that anyone can do this. There's such a variety of different personalities, ages, genders, demographics, and everyone is having a go and finding success in their own way. Selling on Amazon really is not limited to age or gender or your intelligence. It really comes down to the work that you're prepared to put into it. The biggest profit-making ideas I've had have come from attending the AOE conference in 2017. Attending that conference gave me a number of ideas to walk away with and form a plan to be able to take my listing for my product from a few sales a day up to a target of about 20 a day, which is my first target I want to achieve. So I've learned a lot of things about building brand awareness, customer avatars, social media platforms, and also about optimizing listings and increasing conversions for that listing. Where would I be if I hadn't joined Australian Online Entrepreneurs? I don't know really. Probably still Googling articles on how to do this. There's such a wealth of information out there about selling on Amazon and selling online, but trying to sift through it and find what's relevant still, find what actually works. Selling on Amazon alone, it changes pretty regularly, but by being part of this group, you're kept up to date with all the changes, and you're also kept up to date on what's working in really successful businesses right now, and then you can take that information and apply it to your own business. Trying to find that information from Google, I just don't think you'd do it, because the people who are really successful, they're not going to share that information for free.